If your Android battery drains fast, or apps seem active when you're not using them, it's usually because they're allowed to run in the background. On Pixel phones, this setting is called Allow Background Usage. And leaving it on lets apps stay active even when you're not using them. I'll show you how to turn it off safely on my Pixel 7. But for most Android phones, steps the same or similar. Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Tap Apps. Step 3. Tap See All Apps. Step 4. Choose an app you don't use often. I'll use Flicky as an example. Step 5. Tap App Battery Usage. This is where most people miss the setting. Step 6. Turn off. Allow background usage. When this is off, the app can't stay active when you're not using it. Step 7. Go back and repeat this for other non-essential apps. Important safety note. Do not turn this off for important apps like WhatsApp, Phone, Messages, or System apps. Those need background access to work properly. That's it. You've just stopped apps from running when you're not using them, which improves battery life, reduces background activity, and gives you more control over your phone. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Android privacy tips.